is a t-shirt, which is like medium difficult. You have to have some basic skill, sewing skills. So I had this t-shirt for a while, and it was plain t-shirt with the wide sleeves matching the rest of the shirt. What I did, I purchased a half yard of fabric, and I decided to go with a black checkered. Actually, my husband chose this one, and I am really happy with that. And I decided to cut off the sleeves and sew the balloon sleeves instead of having like a regular t-shirt sleeves. And I think that it changed a lot about this t-shirt. I love it now. It's still a little bit on the larger size, but other than that, you can wear it with the shorts, jeans. I think it's a fun 4th of July picnic